Hello, in this video we are going to see the use of submit form method. So we are opening here this page and then clicking on login link. Then we are entering username and then we are entering password in password text box. Here we are locating it by name and then typing password in password field, and then this is the locator for button, submit button, and then we are submitting the form using the submit method and supplying locator of button and waiting for 4 seconds. So let's run the test started running. And browser instance one up, opening the page and entering username password and perform submit. Thank you.